Okay, so welcome to the ITV tutorial. One of the first things you're going to do when you arrive to the booth, you're going to use your key card to access this. We'll program that for you. Once you enter this booth, this happens to be the 1453 booth. It services two classrooms, 1451 and 1450. When you walk in, you might notice that there's already a class going, but it's probably not ITV. So you're going to arrive to your class. Today it's going to be 1450. Everything is shut down in that room. And then here are the controls. And like any of our classrooms, you touch one of the sources and it turns on the system. So if we were to simply touch computer, you get the message that displays are starting up. And you'll notice that the double displays show. We've got the room computer showing on both projectors. That's what these two monitors represent. Down in the classroom, what you've seen is the screens coming down. Okay. What we want though today is we want to be in ITV mode. So we're going to hit Advanced Controls, hit Start ITV. Do you want to start a video conference? We're going to say yes. And that changes the menu system, but it also changes what's on the display. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to enter the class and meet the professor. Hi, good morning. Hi, I'm Paul. I'm going to be your tech today for today's class.
Great.
I just wanted to confirm, I'm told we're going to UMR 320 today.
That's right.
And class starts in about 15 minutes, 9 o'clock.
Yes.
And it goes for how long?
We're scheduled until 10:30.
Okay, sounds good. Is there going to be a break at all in the connection? Or do you pause and have the rooms do their own thing and then come back again, or just go straight through?
We'll go straight through, but I think we probably won't take the full hour and a half.
Okay, no, that's fine. Do you know where's the presentation coming from today? Will it come from our end or from their end?
Our end.
Our end, okay. Sounds good. So I'm going to get the system started. We've already got it in ITV mode, so I'll go ahead and connect the room. And then, do you have your presentation on a flash drive, or are you using your own computer?
I'll actually connect on Google Drive.
On Google Drive. So why don't we get you logged in. Okay, so that's running. And we'll switch to Advanced, Start ITV, yes. Connect. And we're going to call. And using the phone book, and I'm just talking to myself. Dial down to UMR 320. Do I see 320? UMR endpoints. There it is. And we're going to connect. Okay, and no one's there yet, but that's okay. We've connected. They'll just connect. So now, if you'd like, go ahead and let's see if your presentation works. I've started the sharing of it.
Thank you. There we go.
Okay. So as far as I can tell, the room turned red. So that means that their screen turned on and they're showing a projector. Perfect. So that's good. We'll just wait for someone there to show. You're going to need microphones. Are you the only speaker today?
Yes.
Okay. So it's just a clip-on mic. If you wouldn't mind, just clip it anywhere central so that wherever you turn your head, you'll be fine. It's just an on-off. No big deal. And then once you're talking, hey, 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 mic, you're live and they'll hear you in Rochester. If you're taking questions from the folks, just let them know at the beginning of the class to use the push-to-talk mics.
Okay.
So that everyone can hear on the far side. And then there are handheld mics if you have another presenter come up or someone else that wants to kind of just walk and talk and hold.
Okay.
So this is the mic check part. We grab a handheld, mic check. If there were someone in Rochester, they would let us know if they could hear us okay, and we could hear ourselves, so that's a mic check. And then with your slides, have we checked them? Is there anything in there that we need to worry about? There's just that one link?
Just the one link.
Yep, but there's no video or audio in them.
Nope.
Okay.
Will that link share okay to the other campus too?
Oh, what'll happen is, that's a good question. let's go ahead and click it, make sure it's live. If you were to click it and it brings this up, they'll see this there.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So let's X out of that. And otherwise, that's the only dynamic part of your presentation. And then you're doing all the singing and dancing. Okay, great. And then the last thing we'll take care of today is getting your recorder going. And I believe this is going to the miscellaneous server. Oops. Pharmacy quick contacts. TCS server. Miscellaneous. We are... Okay, 2 minutes before. I'll start it now. And 5. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so I'm going to be in the booth and I'll monitor it. And but if you have any problems, you can just speak it out and I'll come on in. My name is Paul.
Great.
Okay, great. Thanks. Have a good class. Okay, so now that you've done your job and connected with the professor and you've connected the class and you've checked the presentation and done mic check, you're going to be in the booth and you're going to monitor the camera angle and make sure that the speaker is always on camera. And you're going to make sure that there are no issues. And if there are any issues, you go right into the room and ask the professor, what can you do to help out?